Today on SETC we have a set of My Little Pony surprise nesting dolls. So let's start with our biggest nesting doll. And on here we have Rainbow Dash. And inside here we have a My Little Pony Squishy Pops. And this is from series 2. Let's see which character we have. Cool! We found Rainbow Dash. And this is the crystal version. She looks so cool. You can just about make out her cutie mark. Whoa, that is so pretty. We also found a Kion figure. And Kion is from the Lion Guard. Whoa, that is so cool. Do you know who Kion's dad is? If you do, let us know in the comments box below. We also find a puppy in my pocket blind bag. Awesome. Let's see which puppy's in here. And we find Daisy the Beagle. Oh, she is so adorable. And she's carrying a little rubber duck in her mouth. Oh, that is just so cute. And we also find a Shopkins fashion spree basket. Awesome. Let's open it up. So our first Shopkin is Sneaker. Oh, and she has some of her eye missing. Oh, poor Sneaker. And our second, cool, is the green music box. Look at that adorable little ballerina. Okay, let's move on to our next nesting doll. And on here we have Fluttershy. Let's see what's inside. So we have a super sparkly Fluttershy pony. Whoa, look how glittery she is. Do you like Fluttershy? Give us a big thumbs up if you do. We also find a My Little Pony Wave 15 blind bag. And in here we find Twilight Sparkle. She loves learning. Look how cool she looks. She has a glittery streak running through her mane. She is super cool. And we also find the Disney Cars toy of Chucky. Whoa, she is super cute. Let us know in the comments box below who your favourite Cars character is. Beep, beep. Okay, on to our next one. And here we have Rarity. And inside we find Rarity's little sister, Sweetie Belle. And Sweetie Belle is one of the Cutie Mark Crusaders. Can you tell us the names of the other two Cutie Mark Crusaders? And we also find an Electro Kiddies blind bag. Whoa! Let's open it up and see which one we have. And this is who we found. Whoa! So if you check on the checklist, we have Thrash. And Thrash is from the metal category. And he's a common. Whoa, he is super cool. Next we have Pinkie Pie. And in here, whoa, we found a golden Tsum Tsum. Whoa, that is so cool. And this is of Minnie Mouse. That is so cool. Do you guys like Tsum Tsums? Give us a big thumbs up if you do. And finally, we have our smallest nesting doll from the set. And on here, we have Twilight Sparkle. And she doesn't open, as she's far too small to fit anything inside. But she is super, super cute. Let us know in the comments below which of these surprises was your favourite. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.